So tell my mother I'm gone, but tell my dad that I'm here.
I'm a hero!
James from Cruel Young Heart, you have to wear these pants.
Where did you even come from?
I'm from the future.
Okay, so you're trying to tell me my pants aren't cool enough, or they're too tight, or whatever, which is ridiculous. Jono's got some, Tommy Boy's got some, they're clearly the best.
I'll show you. You're welcome. There was a portal here before. Is that just a wall now? Activate portal. You know how to do this?
No, it's Adele. I only do Max, sorry.
I'm a hero!